No one in this area owns exhaust, by the way, on any of their cars, we're learning.
Welcome back in, everyone, to the mini truck headquarters. I have 2 trucks sitting on the trailer today. I just went and picked these up from the Columbus area. These are in for service. Appreciate you guys for being patient, waiting for us to get, moved in here and set up. So these are the first 2 I'm bringing in for service. We have the 98 Subaru Sambar. It's having an issue running. So it's the supercharged fuel injected engine. It'll crank off, run for a few seconds and die. So we got to figure out, is it a fuel issue? Is it a idle control? We're not sure yet, but this one is a supercharged automatic. I know, it's the automatic. So hopefully it doesn't ever have any transmission issues out of it, or we'll be doing a manual swap on it more than likely. And then we have the blue Attack that we had several months ago. We have a very loyal customer that we do all of his work for him as far as mechanical and add-ons and stuff. So he brought the truck to his friend and had his buddy do a full complete paint job on this truck, and it is absolutely beautiful. I know that the camera's not going to show really how nice this thing is. Had a few dents filled in and popped out. Had a bed liner put in it. Full paint job, and well, that's what $5,000 gets you. Something that looks pristine yet again. This is the Attack model, so it has the ultra low forward, ultra low reverse. Super nice little truck, 85,000 kilometers on it. The only thing wrong with it, majorly, that he has going on with it right now actually is just a differential oil leak. So I'm guessing it's probably a seal going to the CV axles. More than likely something simple like that. Then he's got a tail light on this right side of the truck. It's very weak on this side, so I don't know if he's got a bad ground or loose wire, something. It's working, it's just really dim. Other than that, he doesn't have any more issues out of this truck. And well, I just want to fill you guys in on what we're bringing in, what we got going on with them. If you've experienced anything with the taillight issue, let me know. I haven't seen one be dim like this before. Usually it's working or it's not. So bloop bloop down in the comments, let me know exactly what you think that might be. As far as the Subaru, I don't know, it's a Subaru. We're gonna do a fuel pressure test. Luckily I have another truck identical to this, except for it's manual, to where I can test, swap sensors out and see exactly which one it is, if it is a sensor. So come over here, I'll show you something. That's the shop truck. That's used to be a Bandit Daihatsu. We've been working the piss out of that truck. This one is fresh. I'm not gonna do a full walk around on it, but I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it. It's fresh import. It's a 2000 Mitsubishi U62, 57,000 kilometers, so 35,000 miles on this truck. Super nice and clean. I just did an oil service on it. We haven't had any major issues pop up. Windshield wipers, the motor's working, but they're not wiping. So I got to get in there in the dash and figure out, did it just pop off the linkage, or what's going on with that. AC power steering truck, high-low transfer case, 5-speed manual. Super nice truck. We'll get to a walk around on this one very soon. If you're interested seeing this, if you want it as is, right now would be the time to do it, because I do plan on doing a full build on this truck. So just get your peepers down on that. But I also have 3 Subarus and my Bravo to bring here. So we've been busy here in the last month. It's a good busy. Sucks, moving sucks, but anyway, I was just gonna fill you guys in. Reach out to me if you have any trucks that need serviced. Like I said, I did pick these up in Columbus today, so if you are in the Columbus area, or if you're traveling in from somewhere, and if you want to drop them in Columbus, reach out to me. We can get you a drop point in Columbus at my dad's house, and he can trailer it down to us, save you maybe an hour or two of driving. So I guess we will see you guys on the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and love you, appreciate you. See you later.